Alright, before tying this fly, I'm just gonna show you how I prepare the furry foam. So the only thing you need is a pair of scissors. You don't need a crooked scissor like I have. You can have a regular one. But I basically just cut the material very thin, just like this. It's not important to get it perfectly the same size all over the material. You can just use it like this, and if you make bigger flies you can cut it a little bit thicker, something like that. It will look something like this. And then before tying it in, I also show that in the video, but I can do it here as well. So you just want to cut like a little bit like an edge, so it gets a lot easier to tie in the material. All right, let's tie it up. Hello guys, today we are tying another really nice, simple, beginner-friendly fly. We're using a material I haven't seen much really, or haven't used much myself. It's called Furry foam, and it looks really cool. It kind of looks like legs or gills or just rubbish. Kind of look like a cased caddis when you put this on and when it's wet. So the first thing we do here then is to cut a little bit so it becomes an edge, because it's so easy to tie in. This fly is really cool. I'm adding this one to my collection. I have fished with it, but not so much last season. But of course, it did deliver some nice trouts, many trouts, over a kilo. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a go this season. All right, so we tie in the material basically, and then we just do a quick lap, kind of close to the hook here, before it goes down. And then I change the angle and I go in front like this, so it gets a very buggy look. I want the fibers to stick up, so I kind of just wind it like this all the way to the front, and here I secure it with 2 wraps. Then I pull a little bit, cut the material off as close to the bead as possible, and then I will do a few wraps, pull again, like that. Then we are going to add a little bit of Mad Rabbit dubbing, just to get some spikiness in the front. And we don't need much, just a pinch, just a little bit, and we tie this in with hard wraps, just like that. Pull and whip finish. I'm very excited by this fly and the material, because it takes almost, probably less than a minute to tie this bad boy. We bring out the brush and pull the fibers out a little bit carefully like that. And then we just bring out the fibers, something like that. Pretty cool fly, very simple. Also, it's kind of compact, which makes it sink a little bit faster than having a lot of spikiness to it. Awesome.